In the aftermath of a crime, when the chaos fades and the sirens grow silent, a different kind of story begins to unfold. The noise and confusion may have vanished, but the scene is far from empty. Shadows linger, and in those shadows, secrets are waiting to be discovered. A new narrative emerges, one told not by people, but by silent witnesses. These are the overlooked details, the tiny remnants left behind, each with a story to tell if only someone knows how to listen. A single hair, a faint smudge, a digital trace on a hard drive. These fragments may seem insignificant, but they are the keys to unlocking the truth. Each one is a clue, a piece of a much larger puzzle. These fragments hold the truth, patiently waiting to be found. They are immune to bias, untouched by emotion, and they never forget what happened. They do not lie or change their story. They simply wait for someone with the skill and patience to interpret their message. In the quiet of the evidence room, they remain, ready to speak when called upon. This is the world of forensic science, where evidence speaks louder than words. Here, scientists become translators, turning silent testimony into facts that can stand up in court. In a world full of deception and uncertainty, forensic science is the anchor of objectivity. It cuts through flawed memories, unreliable witnesses, and deliberate falsehoods, revealing what really happened. It transforms confusion into clarity, piecing together the puzzle of events, reconstructing the timeline, and showing us the story that the evidence tells, one that cannot be easily denied. Without this science, justice would be little more than guesswork, and the guilty could slip away unnoticed, leaving victims without answers and communities without closure. This journey will reveal how science uncovers the truth, turning the smallest details into irrefutable proof. Step by step, we'll see how the silent witnesses of a crime scene become the loudest voices in the pursuit of justice. Forensic science is the application of scientific principles to the law. It's a field where science meets justice, using rigorous methods to uncover the truth behind crimes and disputes. By applying techniques from biology, chemistry, physics, and even computer science, forensic scientists help answer questions that are crucial to legal investigations. Its roots trace back to ancient Rome, where evidence was presented before the forum. Even in those early days, people recognized the importance of facts and proof in resolving conflicts and seeking justice. Today, forensic science bridges the objective world of the lab with the messy reality of crime. Modern labs are filled with advanced technology, from high-powered microscopes to DNA sequencers, all working to reveal hidden clues. Forensic scientists translate the language of evidence, chemical residues, pollen, blood spatter, into stories the justice system can understand. Each tiny detail can be a vital piece of the puzzle, helping to reconstruct events and identify those involved. This field is vast, drawing on biology, chemistry, geology, and more. From analyzing DNA to studying the composition of rocks or fibers, forensic science covers a remarkable range of specialties. Specialists might analyze insects to determine time of death, using the life cycles of bugs to estimate when a crime occurred. Or they might trace soil to a specific location, linking a suspect or victim to a particular place with remarkable precision. The core principle, every contact leaves a trace, reminds us that even the smallest interaction can leave behind evidence. Forensic science connects suspects, victims, and crime scenes, establishing timelines and confirming or refuting alibis. It helps investigators piece together what really happened, often when there are no witnesses. It is a meticulous, patient discipline that turns tiny traces into the cornerstones of justice. Through careful analysis and unwavering attention to detail, forensic science brings clarity to chaos and helps ensure that the truth prevails in the courtroom. Forensic science is a family of disciplines, each with its own unique methods and areas of expertise. all working together to uncover the facts hidden within a crime. It is a field where science meets investigation and where the smallest detail can make the biggest difference. Each branch is focused on a different kind of evidence, whether it's physical, biological, or digital. Specialists meticulously collect, label, and analyze every item, knowing that even the tiniest clue could be the key to solving a case. DNA analysis is often considered the gold standard in forensic science. By examining genetic material left behind at a scene, experts can link individuals to crimes with near certainty, sometimes decades after the event occurred. This powerful tool has exonerated the innocent and brought justice to victims. Digital forensics, a rapidly growing field, uncovers deleted messages, tracks online activity, and reconstructs timelines from electronic devices. Investigators can reveal hidden motives, trace movements, and even recover evidence thought to be lost forever. Trace evidence, such as hair, fibers, and paint chips, embodies the principle that every contact leaves a trace. These microscopic fragments can tell a story of where someone has been, what they touched, or who they encountered. Even a single fiber or paint chip, when properly analyzed, can connect a suspect to a crime scene or victim, providing crucial links that might otherwise go unnoticed. Forensic pathology delves into the mysteries of death, determining cause and manner through careful autopsy. Pathologists interpret injuries, disease, and time of death, offering answers when lives are lost under suspicious circumstances. Forensic anthropology, meanwhile, specializes in identifying victims from skeletal remains. By studying bones, anthropologists can reveal age, sex, ancestry, and sometimes even the story of a person's life and death. Each branch of forensic science adds a vital piece to the puzzle, working in concert to build a comprehensive case. Collaboration between experts ensures that no detail is overlooked and every angle is explored. Together, these disciplines transform scattered fragments of evidence into a clear, compelling narrative, one that can stand up in court and bring closure to those seeking justice. Forensic science is the sum of these specialized efforts, united in the relentless pursuit of truth. It is a testament to human ingenuity, determination, and the unwavering quest for justice. Crime scenes are filled with clues, each one a potential breakthrough. Fingerprints, with their unique patterns, can place a person at a scene. Shoe prints reveal not just brand and size, but unique wear patterns that link a suspect to a location. Bloodstains reconstruct violent events, while a single drop can yield DNA. Hair and fibers connect people and places, even without DNA. Digital evidence, CCTV footage, phone records, provides timelines and shatters alibis. Electronic data reveals motives, conspiracies, and admissions of guilt. Each clue, physical or digital, adds depth to the investigation. The challenge is to find, interpret, and connect these silent witnesses. The first priority at any crime scene is preservation. Officers establish a perimeter, controlling entry and exit to prevent contamination. Every movement is logged, maintaining the chain of custody. The initial walkthrough is careful. Look, don't touch. Unauthorized access is strictly forbidden. Even a single footprint can compromise evidence. Documentation begins immediately. Notes, photographs, and sketches capture the scene as it was found. These records are vital, as the original scene can never be recreated. Securing and documenting the scene lays the foundation for a credible investigation. Once documented, evidence collection begins. Slow, deliberate, and systematic. Investigators use search patterns to ensure nothing is missed, handling each item with care to avoid contamination. Evidence is packaged according to type paper for biological samples, plastic or boxes for dry items. Every item is labeled with case details and collector's information, starting the chain of custody. Each transfer is logged. A broken chain can render evidence useless in court. The goal: preserve every clue in its original state. This rigorous process ensures evidence stands up to legal scrutiny. Bagging and tagging transforms objects into powerful testimony. In the lab, evidence is logged and assigned to specialists: DNA, ballistics, toxicology, digital forensics. Visual exams use microscopes and special lights to reveal hidden details. DNA is amplified and profiled, then compared to suspects or databases. Toxicology identifies drugs or poisons with precision instruments. Analysts compare fingerprints, fibers, and other evidence, often expressing results in probabilities. Detailed reports document every test and finding, written for clarity and accuracy. Forensic scientists must explain their work in court, translating science for juries. The lab is where fragments become facts, and facts become justice. A late-night bookstore burglary leaves few obvious clues. The thief wore gloves, but a muddy shoe print is found and cast. A single hair is collected from the counter. CCTV footage shows a dark blue sedan leaving the area. Days later, a matching car is found, owned by John Smith, who has a record. His boots match the shoe print. The stolen book is found in his trunk. The hair matches Smith's, and his phone data places him at the scene. Faced with the evidence, Smith confesses. The silent witnesses, mud, hair, digital data, tell the story. Forensic science turns fragments into justice. Forensic science is the objective pillar of justice, unswayed by emotion or bias. Evidence, fingerprints, DNA, chemical traces, does not lie. For victims, it brings answers and closure. For the wrongly accused, it offers exoneration. The power of forensic science demands responsibility. Methods must be rigorous and constantly improved. Forensic scientists carry a solemn duty. Their work can mean freedom or incarceration. Their commitment to ethics and accuracy is vital. Forensic science is a story of hope that truth will prevail and no crime is perfect. Supporting this field strengthens justice for all. In the end, the truth, silent, scientific, undeniable, is the final word.